Sarap naman kumain ng fried pork na may guso at mangga. Ayan. So, gawa tayo mga loves. Welcome back to my channel, Coke and Taste at Juna's Dairy. Hello mga loves, ka-cravings. So, ayun, nakabili ako ng pork sa may pork ribs. So, slice lang natin ito at pakuluan. We need to boil this with peppercorn, dahon ng laurel, salt, and water. Boil it for 10 minutes. Para mag-crispy talaga at juicy ang ating pork. So, ganyan po ang ating sikreto. Madali lang magluto ng fried pork. So, itong version na to ay aking version. Kumusta po ang lahat? Happy weekend everyone! So, after 10 minutes, pwede na natin na i-set aside, hugasan, at patuyuin, i-strain. Gumawa tayo ng marination, salt and pepper, soy sauce. No need to add garlic. Well, when we boiled this pork, we already add garlic. Then, mag-mix lang ng cornstarch. So, pag mainit na ang mantika, ilagay na natin ang pork. So, inluhit mga loves. Para hindi siya masunog. Masarap to mga loves pag may hinila o salad, side dish. Then, maglagay din ako sa aking puso ng saging. Because I make the side dish, puso ng saging o banana blossom salad, I will also add some pork. Thank you so much to all my subscribers, viewers, silent viewers. Always support my channel and I will support you back. For those not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.